come, I'll give a date and on that day we will pass some order.
Because ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಊಟ ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ nobody can. They what the
Sir,
what food
ಒಂದ್
they
ನಿಮಿಷ,
are providing.
ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ ಊಟ ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, but it is I am covered under Article 20.
ಅದು we'll see, we'll answer all that.
If they provide me a nutritious food, then there is no problem.
Correct, we'll see what is their diet and what are they providing, we'll see.
Is a demolition work.
And no, even medical facilities is also not properly given to the prisoners. So many prisoners are complaining about the painkillers, the root and the normal pain. Yeah, ಎಷ್ಟು prisoners-ಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು, ಇದು kidney problem, hernia problem. Until and unless it is addressed before the court, the CMO and the doctors in the prison hospital.
No, we'll lay down all comprehensive guidelines, wait. Yes, Jagdish?
And another thing, my lords, a 90 years old lady is also, she is not provided good food in the Gulbarga the prison, my lords.
Why not provide food?
Necessity of 90 years old lady.
Why is she in custody?
She is convicted for 4 years, my lords. And even if she filed for a parole also, she is not entitled because she has not completed still 7 months. She has completed only 7 months until she has completed 2 years.
ಅದು ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು.
This is state problem, my lords.
State problem.
Yes. State prisoners problem, my lords, they are facing. And there should be a guidelines, some education should be given to the prisoners. Instead of wasting the time in the prisons for years together, if compulsory education is given to the prisoners, then then the reformation theory starts, my lords.
Remand home ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Easily, my lords. Yes. Because there are so many things, guidelines are issued, they should strictly they have to work and there are so many laws, my lords, in the
We'll do something in this.
So in fact, there are various guidelines, my lord, that education is given. People have written degrees, many degrees.
Some people are taking, my lords, there should be a compulsory education for undertale and convict prisoners, so that there will be a reform, they will reform and come outside.
We'll answer everything. Senior is also there, so we will, in the name of food, we will enter into other things, yes.
Some date which is convenient or whatever.
We'll take it on 11th at 4 p.m. List on 11th at 4 p.m. ಇದು 63 and this tag ಮಾಡಿ. List on
Connected but not listed.
ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ ಅದು? ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
13 WP 13.
ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. Yes. List on, we'll take it on 11th. Jagdish asked the SPP to come. List on 11th at
Please.
4 p.m. for further hearing. Orders.
Order 13. 13.
Process 2 weeks.
Process ಆಗಿದೆ, needful done ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
Huh?
Needful done ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವರು.
Needful done ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Yes. Counsel for the petition submits, needful has been done, office to verify. Enter ಮಾಡು ಉಂಟಾ?
Interview.
Continued. Madam, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, enter ಮಾಡು, continue to the next item. Next. ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Where is the file, sir?